If you think nothing goes your way, the person who you like don't want you, the problems, the plans are falling apart, this is a spell for you. Let's reveal who is sending you these bad vibes. For start, you are going to need 1 jar where you will put your ingredients in. You will need garlic, 7 cloves, some lemon, and a vinegar. Salt, sea salt, Himalayan salt, any kind of salt is here to protect you and to banish the negative energy. For start, clean your space 3 times clockwise with sage, palo santo, or you can use cinnamon stick, which you will burn. You can purchase cinnamon stick, right? Anyway, it has the same effect. First, we're going to start with the garlic. We need 7 cloves, and the cloves needs to be cleaned. So let's start cleaning the garlic. I suggest you leave those garlic peels because you are going to need them in protection spells. It is very, very useful for protection spells, or even for cleaning the space if you don't have the sage, or just save it somewhere. 7 garlic cloves are ready. Now the lemon. You need 3 slices of lemon. Our lemon is ready. And now let's go to the jar. Let's make a jar, make a space, and make a jar. First thing you're going to do, you will pour some vinegar in it. When you're doing this spell, try to focus on who you think is doing you harm, or who wish you bad luck, or maybe you have some your own doubts. Now we are going to add some sea salt. Just cover the bottom. I think that will be enough. We will add 7 peeled garlic cloves. Garlic always banishes the negative energy. Also, you can light up the white candle when you do any kind of banishing spells or any kind of spells. And that's it. Our work is done. You're going to close that jar. Now, put this jar next to your bed for 3 nights. In that time, you will see who will get sick. Not like seriously sick, but maybe some kind of a cold or something similar. So this is not a bad spell. This is a white spell. This is a good spell. This is a spell that is going to reveal the person who is doing you harm or who wishes you bad luck. I will put in my description and in my suggestion section the way you can make your own protection jar, and when you reveal that person, the way you can do the spell for that person to leave you alone forever. Now, Put this jar under your bed. Good luck, and see who is sending you bad vibes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Please let me know your results in the comment section. Thank you and blessed be.